should I say? She once had thee. She showed me her room. Isn't it good? Norwegian world. She asked me to stand. She told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on her rug, biding my time, drinking her wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed. She left in the morning and decided to lie. I told her I didn't when I crawled over to sleep in the back. And when I awoke, I was alone. This couldn't happen. So I lit a fire. Isn't it good? Norwegian world.